Nice to meet you.
There we go. Joseph. Yes, SEFTV.
Yes, po.
There we go. Famous vlogger from Tacloban.
Thank you.
Yeah. Nice camera, GoPro. Oh, you have the nice intercom.
Yes.
Well, you there we go. And here's his asawa. Asawa, she has a. Oh, look at that. They can talk together.
Yeah.
So, Steph is ready. SEFTV, and he's riding back to Tacloban. He's been on Dangat yesterday, looking at the resorts. We're going on this ferry here, and that's his young lady, videoing him coming onto the barge. There's Jim, just starting to rain. Really, really nice couple. Really, really nice. But we're getting ready. Reverse on, reverse off. It can get a little bit slippy if you don't ride on the ribs. If you turn around and ride on the metal, it starts giving way. There's no grip on the rubber. There you go. There's Jim. He's doing his texting. He's getting his bike on. Aikuya. The fans are reversing on. So it's cost 1,000 peso, 65 for registration of the port, and then 20 peso environmental fees. And then there we go. There's Seth. You tie down. Soon. There we go. We are loaded. We are ready to go. Is the Honda Click. Second journey around the Philippines on the loop.
On a loop with Sir Jim.
On a loop with Sir Jim. On Sir Galahad. There we go. Look at that, nice. They're loading the people. Wow. They're strapping down. So the guys tying the bike down. As I said, prices. Tie the bike down. Don't leave your crash helmet on the bike. We got SEFTV over here doing his bit on YouTube. Me and Jim are going this way. Mabute Koma. So the ferry's here. It takes 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depending on the weather. But we're going to go down here and we're going to sit upstairs. Aikuya. There's Jim. Watch the elephant feet. The vans are here.
Elephant's feet?
Yeah.
As are called?
These the metal holes.
Yeah.
Some people never learn. Turn off your alarm when the ship is moving, because the alarm will go off. So the lorries are in, and we're looking at the Ma'ayo Shipping Inc. So, bike's down here on the left hand side. We've loaded. This is the port. Some of the panels are missing from the roof through the typhoon a couple of years ago. There's a barge. Where trucks are in. People are vlogging their remembrance for what they're doing. It looks very, very nice. All the side panels are on. Excuse me, ma'am.
1.5 hours pa tayo.
So they're all on the... oh, there you go, mate. All the side panels are down because it's going to rain. And we'll get wet.
Up with them.
There's Jim. There we go, look. Very, very nice. Beautiful. We're reversing out. We were on Matt's berth over there. There was a ship behind us. Another ship over there for the Montenegro. This is the bow visor is up, which means my bike's not going to get wet. The sun is out. It's a calm, calm, calm day. We are leaving Mindanao. Goodbye, Mindanao. Goodbye, Mindanao. We've got the bay round here. Over here, we were there yesterday. That's where the memorial is, the Subic Bay for Chagall. It's over there. You ride up to that point and then walk down to where the beach is. So the engines are trugging. The exhaust is at the front. San Ricardo, yeah. San Ricardo. This is one island. We're going to travel this way. We'll go to a bridge and then we'll go over to the next part of Philippines, another island. Guys, it's freezing cold in London, but it's 25 degrees here with the beaches. You have to love the Philippines. There is a famous blogger here. We're not talking. His name's Joseph. He's just been explaining to me about the islands. We were up here. Beautiful. We're going to find out where the scooter is and get on and get off. So, come off the ferry. They've got a floating barge here. The vans and that are coming off now. You either go left, which is white van is doing, which is the safest road. Behind me there is another road which is being constructed, but it's quite difficult. So at San Ricardo there's not a lot. There's some eateries, some cafes, some places. And there's the man, SEFTV. The glory of Philippines.
Have you been here before?
4 years ago.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Paradise. Guys, you need to understand. So this bay is over 1,000 meters deep, and the boats go up and down looking for the whale sharks, because between this time of the year and May, it's when the whale sharks come here to feed, because it's high in plankton and high in small fish. So they're looking for, and it's not the same as Oslo over in Cebu, which they are fed. Here it's all natural. It's all part of this biodiversity, the nature of the Philippines. I tell you what, it's beautiful, it's hot, it's glorious, and the view is stunning. You can see them all racing up and down trying to find those whale sharks, the elusive whale shark. So when you're famous, a YouTuber, and you have over 1 million subscribers, everybody wants to take a picture of Joseph. This is Joseph's partner. This is the man that runs the restaurant. Hi, Koya. So we've ridden from the port and we've come to Iloan. Yeah, this is the port. This is the town, old school, and they got this Majukat food house. Very, very, very nice. And we're having some seafood tinola and some coleslaw and some noodles. Beautiful. All traditional Filipino food. It's really, really nice. Love it. Oh, there we go. Great lunch. It's Joseph with his wife. Hello, girl. Hello, Mom. ¿Cómo está? Look, see here.
Dali, Joy.
Little,
Come here.
little letterbox.
Dali kayo na.
Oh, balik. No, Mom. Balik. Look.
Salamat, sir.
Salamat. Okay lang. Well.
Wow, how nice. Look at that.
Tukbuk Marine Park. My first marine park on Leyte. So you have a bay, an estuary, and the fish. You have a boardwalk that walks out and around. The sun is coming down. It's been a absolutely stunning day. Look at that. There's no fee. It's lovely. Amazing. It's right on the road. If you're driving too fast, you would miss this. You can spend the whole day here just paddleboarding around and swimming in the lagoon. Remember, the whale sharks are out here, and I gave you that little bit of information earlier. I got that from a guy called Joseph, who knows this area really, really, really well, because he lives in Tukbuk. It's glorious, absolutely glorious. Where else? 24 degrees, sunshine, a lagoon, clean water. Just had some Sinigang fish for lunch. There we go, there's Jim, Joseph, there's Annabelle. What a beautiful day. Absolutely brilliant. Boardwalk. So we've just been talking to the lady that's in the Sari store here at Tukbuk. Each morning around 5:30, 6 o'clock, in these trees are wild monkeys. They come down to be fed. Here they come across the road and they put out fruit, and they're looked after. It's the wild monkeys. Amazing, isn't it? You don't realise this when you're travelling through the Philippines. Wow, look at that. We've just come across those mountains from the other part, and it was really, really, really warm, and it was unbelievable. Now it's drizzly, the rainbow's out, we're on this bridge, massive river, and the sun's going down. It's getting to 5 o'clock. It said it was 119 kilometers to get to where we were going, but I think we were being optimistic. What a great day. Look at that. Over the rainbow. Where's the crock of gold? Look at, beautiful. We're going this way. As I wake up, I want to be with you in the morning on a Saturday too. Okay, here's GTC Pension House. We were recommended this yesterday by a great couple. The friendliest Filipino and Filipina I have actually met. So nice. Joseph, Annabelle, thank you very much for all your time yesterday. much appreciated, and great call on the pension. We stayed, we got here, a bit late, a bit wet, but we're okay. Tacloban is this way, and Alan Ferry Port is this way, 5.5 hours. Well, what we're going to do today, me and Jim, we're going to go this way into Tacloban, and we're going to turn around and have a little look around there before we move on to another city.